Hello there everyone, this is your friend Jake, and then in this tutorial video I will teach you guys how to stop Windows updates in your computer. Before we continue, I would like to say thank you very much to all my subscribers in my channel. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's get started. When we are using Microsoft Windows operating system, especially Windows 10 and 11, one of the annoying things that happened while you are using is the Windows updates. Now, how to stop Windows update is not difficult. Let's go to start, go to run, and then we type services.msc. Click the OK button, and then the services local, we move and select Windows Update. Here, double click, and then in the general startup type, we select disabled, and then we click OK. By doing so, it will stop our Windows Update. Now, right now it is already disabled, and then we just restart our computer to stop the services. So that's simple guys. So if you have some questions, kindly message me in the comment section of this video tutorial, and like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.